everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Scottish shortbread. If you have flour, butter and sugar at home, you can make it right now. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Add all the ingredients into the flour and mix them with a spatula until it's combined. As you can see, it looks like breadcrumbs after a minute of mixing. Press them with your fingers until the dough comes together. The dough is very supple, so be gentle with it and shape it into a rectangle. Cut off the edges and divide it into 10 pieces. Transfer them to a baking tray that is already lined up with parchment paper. If you like, prick the shortbreads with a wooden skewer. Bake them in a preheated oven at 170 Celsius for about 20 minutes.
So guys, as you can see, they look so good. I'm going to give it a try now and let you know how does it taste like. so good, guys. It's buttery, sweet, soft, kind of crumbly. It just melts in the mouth. You should give it a try. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, have a gorgeous day and see you next time.